Hello guys, हम सीखेंगे क्लास 10 साइंस from chapter 10 important question answer for HSLC exam 2021. The question 1 is, what is the angle of incident and angle of reflection when a ray of light is incident normally on a mirror? And the answer is 0 degree. Question number 2, can a convex mirror form a real image? Answer is no. What is the focal length of a plane mirror? Answer is infinity. Can a convex mirror form an image larger than the object? And the answer is no. Question number 6. Identify the mirror which always produces a virtual, erect and diminished image of an object. Answer is convex mirror. Question number 7. What is the unit of refractive index? Answer is refractive has no unit since it is a pure numbers. Question number 8. What is beam? Answer. A bundle of light ray is called beams. There are three types of beams: parallels, convergence, and divergence. Question number 9. Write down the formula for spherical mirrors. And the formula is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equal 1 upon f, where u is the distance of an object and v is the distance of an image and f is the focal length of an spherical mirror. Question number 12. No matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be either plane or convex. Question number 13. The refractive index of a medium is given by the relation. Answer is n equal c upon v. Question number 14. A ray of light that is incident parallel to the principal axis of a spherical mirror after refraction passes through the, and answer is principal focus. Question number 15. If the image is formed by a spherical mirror is always virtual, erect and smaller than the object, then the mirror is, answer, convex. Water is optically rarer and denser than alcohols, and the 16th answer is rarer. Question number 17. An underwater object appears to be above oblique lower than its actual position due to reflection oblique refraction, and the right answer is above comma refraction full stop. Question number 18. The center of curvature is oblique is not a part of a spherical mirrors, and the right answer is not full stop. Question number 19. Magnification produced by a spherical mirror is positive for virtual oblique real image, and the answer is virtual. Question number 20. On passing through a rectangular glass slab, a ray of light suffers two refractions, and the statement is true. Question 21. A ray passing through the focus of a concave mirror becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflections, and the statement is true. Question 22. A spherical mirrors obey the laws of reflection, and the statement is true.